Every great chef knows that the secret to success is having a reliable partner in the kitchen. Meet your sous chef, the iDevices Kitchen Thermometer, a feature-packed cooking thermometer that lets you know when your food is ready on your mobile device. Designed with your kitchen in mind, the sophisticated aesthetics are paired with features for the modern chef, aimed at making it simple to create culinary masterpieces for all occasions. Setup couldn't be easier. As soon as you turn it on, Kitchen Thermometer will automatically connect to the iDevices connected app and display the real-time temperature of your cook. With dual probes, you can monitor 2 separate temperature zones at the same time, whether you're cooking a larger roast or 2 different pieces of meat. Select a recommended temperature preset. Once your food is in the oven, the iDevices Kitchen Thermometer takes over, allowing you to focus on more important things. So, go ahead and relax. The app will let you know when your food is ready. The iDevices connected app connects your kitchen to the rest of the culinary world. Explore our community globe for inspiration, or browse our exclusive recipes for something new to try. You can even share your latest culinary masterpiece on your favorite social network. With the iDevices Kitchen Thermometer, you can conquer cooking perfection and leave your family and guests speechless. Meet your sous chef, the iDevices Kitchen Thermometer.
Hi, I'm Dylan from Thermopro. I'm going to give you a brief introduction on the TP07. I'm now going to explain how to assemble and sync your device. First, put the batteries into the smaller unit, the transmitter, and it will power on automatically. Then put the backing on the batteries. Let the device power up. Then you are going to put the batteries into the receiver, the larger device, and put the backing on. The devices will then begin to sync automatically. And then you can place the probe into the device, and it will begin to transmit the temperature to the receiver. Now that you've assembled your device, we're going to show you how to use it in a typical grill settings. Grab your meat probe, place the probe into the thickest part of the meat, avoiding any bone or fat deposits, and then it is safe to close the grill onto the wire.
Thermopro. The meat is on and you watch with eager eyes as the fires of the grill spark to life. You love the fresh smell of the outdoors and your grill at your back, but you also love spending time with friends and family. The Thermopro TP20 will allow just that. Set a desired meat and taste preference for carefree grilling. Get in there and spend the much desired time with your friends and family, and never miss the big play your team needed. When your food is ready, the Thermopro TP20 will notify you. Now that is convenient cooking. Cook like a pro with the Thermopro TP20.
Hi, I'm Dylan from Thermopro, and I'm going to show you the TP03A.
To activate your TP03A, simply press the on/off button once. To switch between degrees Fahrenheit and Celsius, simply press the button on the back marked C/F. You may wish to take note of the recommended internal temperatures of certain meat as well. After you are done using your TP03A, make sure you gently wash the probe with a damp cloth and power down the device. You can then press down on the pressure lock and safely slide the probe into its slot. Feel free to make use of the convenient magnetized backing or kitchen hook for easy everyday storage.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.